Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate you guys, and today we are going to draw one of the most dominant basketball players of all time. If I had to pick my top 5 starting lineup, this guy would definitely be the center, Shaquille O'Neal, and we're going to draw Shaquille in the Lakers uniform. Shaquille O'Neal stands 7 foot 1 inch, 325 pounds. He's played for 6 teams in his 19-year career, was a 4-time NBA champion, drafted number 1 by the Orlando Magic out of LSU, and was Rookie of the Year, MVP, you name it. This guy is the most powerful basketball player probably of all time up to now. So let's get started. Find the center of your paper here, center here. We're going to draw Shaquille O'Neal's head right here in cartoon format. Get your black markers. Now Shaquille O'Neal has an iconic smile, so we're going to try to incorporate that. But right now let's draw the top of his head, kind of a big arch. So here we go. Big arch. Oval. Bring it down. This is his chin. And connect. So the head, the chin, we'll do a couple of ears. We'll do his eyes right here. Kind of oval, circle looking cartoon, Funko Pop style. 2 circles for the highlights. 1 little circle, 1 little circle. Big eyebrows. Arch, up, arch to a point. Okay, let's draw his big smile here in a minute. His nose. Basically the nose is a line. The line comes from the lines up with the eye, comes over and lines up with the eye there. And his big smile is going to start over here. Dot to dot. Right, here we go. Kind of arch down, arch up. Color the inside of that smile black there. He's got big teeth. And some smile lines. His lips go down. Alright, looking pretty good. Could do better, but hey, why not? Let's color these eyes in with our black marker. We're going to leave these circles white, highlighted. The highlights bring the eyes to life, as you know. And we're going to continue to fill in these eyes with our black marker here. What I like to do is this bottom area right here, I'm going to get a light blue, kind of a baby blue marker, this color. And we're going to fill it in with baby blue, simply to represent the reflections from the stadium lights and to give a little interest to his eyes. Let's fill in his eyebrows with black real quick. There we go. His neck comes down, 2 lines to a point. To a point. Jersey, shoulders, arms, arms, torso, straight across, connect up, waistline, shorts, and the legs, 2 lines, 1, 2, little arch, shoe, This is the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Big giant shoes here. I was once at a Foot Locker when I was a little kid, and they had on display one of Shaquille O'Neal's autographed sneakers, and it was massive. It was like the size of my entire body. I remember being a little kid and being shocked at how big Shaquille O'Neal's feet are and were. All right, let's do a basketball right here. Circle. One, two, three, 4 circles and a thumb, as if he's palming that basketball. And big muscle going into the basketball, there. All right, let's do a shoulder arch. Shoulder. This is his muscly bicep. And we're gonna draw his hand kind of sticking out at us. This is kind of a challenging, so watch what I do. You press pause if you need to. So his thumb goes like here. Finger, 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 finger. See how that works? And then this arm just kind of fades into that hand. Okay, so we have our Shaquille O'Neal outline done. Let's do a little bit of color to get it started, and then we'll press fast forward. So we're gonna get our purple marker. We're gonna do the yellow Lakers uniform, and we'll just kind of do a stripe here and a stripe here and a purple stripe down. Kind of color that in to show you where it is. Okay, this purple stripe on the side. You see how I'm leaving a white gap? Because there's white, purple, and then there's actually white after that. So I'm gonna do another purple stripe here on the side. And purple, purple. And then I'll bring that purple line over. Okay. And we'll basically fast forward this, but let's do the number 34 really quick. It's kind of a challenging number even for me. So let's go straight down, over, up, sometimes we need to actually look at pictures, and that's fine, or press pause, that's fine as well. And number 4 comes down. Alrighty. Now the word Lakers. We're gonna do that afterwards using our Prismacolor color pencils. Here we go. Can you see these? These are Prismacolor color pencils, and I recommend them in your art toolbox. So here we go. We're gonna get our yellow and start filling in. We're gonna leave a gap for the white. See that? Gap. See how I've left a gap of white in between the purple right there? Fill this in. Okay. So now I'm going to fill this in with so you can see I'm leaving a gap of white by those purple lines, and now I'm filling this in with the yellow, the gold, however you like to say it. Famous iconic Lakers uniform color. And we are going to now press fast forward or fast forward this video, color this in, orange basketball, flesh color, yellow jersey. We'll do the Lakers with Prismacolors, and we should be done with Shaquille O'Neal. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, and we appreciate your support. So fast forward now.